everyone, welcome to my channel, Smile There's Wine. Emily here. Hope everyone is doing fabulous out there. No wine today. As you can see, the sun is still out. We have lots to do. We have like a soccer game, a birthday party. Just, I probably should go to Walmart, like lots to do today. So I thought I would film this video before I'm not able to have my glass of wine, but maybe later tonight. Anyways, hope you guys are all doing great out there. I have a Stitch Fix to open up with you. I actually have the bundle already pulled out. My dad received my mail and he decided to open it for me. I'm like, Dad, don't do that. He lives on our property, so sometimes he collects our mail. Anyways, so it's already open. I kind of know what's going on in here because in the preview, I chose 4 of the pieces. So that was cool. And then my stylist backfilled one of those pieces, but truthfully, I can't remember what I chose. Crazy. Can't remember it all. So excited to jump into this. Check out this cute shirt. Absolutely love it. Beauty begins when you decide to be yourself. Coco Chanel. Isn't that the most truth? I love that saying. Love this shirt. It is from Self Love Club Sub. You can check them out on Instagram, Facebook. Super great company. They did a little collab with me before, and I saw this shirt on their page, and I was like, that is so cute. And I love just like the fall colors of it. And I wore it to work the other day, and everyone was like, oh my gosh, what does it say? So they really liked it too. Anyways, okay, I'll put their link below if you're interested in checking them out. It's a great company founded by these 2 awesome women. So can't say enough about them. I am going to open up this bundle and we will see what I got in here. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, I'll provide all the information below along with a referral link. Feel free to click on that if you've never used Stitch Fix before because it will save you $25 off your first order. I absolutely love Stitch Fix. I have several of my coworkers. I'm a teacher, so several of my coworkers now receive boxes. In fact, I'm going to pop in a picture. This is me and my teaching partner. It was twin day, and we knew we had the same Stitch Fix pieces. It wasn't like we requested those or anything. Just randomly, we got the same ones. It was so funny. So then we wore the pieces when it was twin day at school. But yeah, so Stitch Fix is so fun just because you don't have to go to the mall, try on clothing, which is also fun. But sometimes when you're maybe a mom or you have a super stressful job or you're just super busy, it is hard to always go do those things. So I love the fact that I get clothes sent to me in a box monthly, every other month, and it just is a lot of fun. Okay, I think that's all I have to say, and let's jump in. All right. Oh, we should read the note first. It's always good to do that. And hopefully we still have Nicole, who is fabulous. Yes, I do. Her and I, we have like a good relationship. I love her. She's been with me for like 6 months now, so it's been really good. Hopefully she doesn't leave me. All right, here we go.
Hello there, lovely Emily, and welcome to your new fix. Can you believe that we're already halfway into this next month? I hope that you've been partaking in all the exciting fall festivities, especially with the spooky season happening. There's nothing scary about these stunning new selections that you found, haha. So let's jump into it and get started. I noticed that your note that you were still on the hunt for a pair of wide leg pants, so I found this cropped pair in our inventory and I just had to include them in your preview. These will be super cute with a paper moon puff sleeve blouse. So wonderful pick. Such wonderful pick. Since you also happened to mention that burgundy tops were your radar this time of year, I hope you'll love this off-the-shoulder top for evening out or this darling flutter sleeve blouse I've added to complete your box. Cheers, Nicole.
Cheers, Nicole. All pretend. Okay, I'm excited. Yeah, I was just kind of looking through my closet and I'm like, I don't have like a lot of burgundy. And I think that works well for like fall, Christmas. Okay, this top I thought was such a great work blouse. This looks like paper mache. I've been doing this so long I can just tell what the brand is. How cute is this print though? And if you know me, something about green, I don't know why, but like, it's not that I request green. I just, when I see it, I love it. I don't know. Pretty though, huh? And cute little cap sleeves. And just comes down, so perfect little work blouse. The sleeves do have kind of like a little pin tuck in it right here. So I bet they kind of create like a poof. So maybe that's what she was talking about. But I think this will be great for work. Dress it up, dress it down. Diana Paper Moon. Okay, so there is some burgundy in here. So this kind of looks like the first one. This is by Fortune and Ivy. Simple. It's pick. See, I can't talk when I drink wine and I can't talk when I don't. So just go with it, people. Okay, it is picking up pink on camera. But I would say it's definitely a nice burgundy. I mean, the wow factor are these little buttons up here at the top, kind of giving it a little something extra, and the flutter sleeve. Also another great work blouse, kind of simple. Okay, this is looking like a sweater of some sort. Oh, is it like boat neck? We shall see. This is by Kaylee. This is kind of a brushed knit material. Little sleeves. It has, oh, I see what's happening here. It's kind of like an off the shoulder action happening. Okay, cute. It is a little bit of, got some brush knit, like the dark speckles in it. So cute. I like it. I think this would be good for Christmas time too. Which is right around the corner. Ah! Oh, I can't believe it. My work, being a teacher, it's so crazy. You either have, because you get the 2 weeks off at Christmas, which is wonderful. So blessed to have that. But how it falls and lines up is not always good. You either get more time before Christmas comes, and that's always nice because you can like do all the shopping, a lot of the festivities. But then you got to get back to work like the day after New Year's, maybe the next day or whatever. So it's kind of busy, you're like a lot going on. So there's not much like relaxation time. Or what they do is the opposite of that, where you pretty much work up all the way to almost Christmas. But then, which is, well, that's stressful because you got to do all your shopping and all that stuff while you're working, which normal people do, right? You're like, I do that. But still super stressful. And then you get like after New Year's, a whole additional week, which is kind of nice because you can like take down all your Christmas stuff and just like chill. So they both have their positive and negative. So this year for our school district, we literally go up to Christmas practically, like I think 3 days before. So I need to get on it and like get my shopping going. We'll see if that happens. Okay, these I'm not sure about. These are the 5-in-1. Oh, these were the cropped. And they're like this army green color. Cropped. They're very much like khaki pants. That's the material. That's how it feels. So, okay, all right. Can work even into spring, transition okay. Yeah, we shall see. We shall see. 5-in-1. Love my fit. Huh. We shall see. Okay, and then last, I am in love with these tribal pants, you guys. Well, I've received one pair. If you saw my last video, it was like a dark green pair. But these are like such good work pants. Now this color, I'm not sure because I might look like I have no pants on because this is practically my skin tone. But we'll see. You never know. But I love these tribal pants. They're pull on. They have a great stretch. They're comfortable. The ones I have before are kind of almost like a kick flare at the ankle. And they have like a little slit. Super cute. I think the ankle is what like sold me on it because you guys know how I am about the ankle. This just has like a cuff. So we shall see how I feel about these tribal pants. But always good to have more work pants. Although I do love me some jeans. Although I'm having issues with my jeans, guys. I just don't know. Actually, I want to tell you, one of my viewers said the best line ever. I'm going to pop it down below because I want to quote her correctly. She commented on a Wantable video that I had. I'll pop her name in as well. And she basically was like, this is the best time ever right now because you really can wear any type of jean. Like, they're all in style. So we shouldn't just say, you know, skinny jeans are out. And I just really like that because it was like so positive for one. And then it was like, wow, that is so true. Like, you really can get away with wearing all different types of jeans. Long jeans, bell-bottom jeans, cropped jeans, light wash jeans, dark wash jeans, skinny jeans, mom jeans, you know, like super ripped jeans, you know, super clean jeans. So I was like, oh, I really like that. And it's true. But then my dilemma is I don't know about all the jeans in my closet because I have so many, like a lot. But then it's like I go to put them on. I'm like, I don't really like you. So anybody else feel me? Comment below. You guys have this jean issue going on? Oh, maybe I just need to like start paying more for better jeans. Although the best, I know I'm talking a lot, but the best pair of jeans I recently got was from TJ Maxx. And I'm like in love with them. And they were a Kinsey, which I had also recently gotten a one-to-bull, a different pair, and they were like $60. But I think when I got this different pair of Kinsey jeans at TJ Maxx, they were like $25. And right now they're my favorite. So you never know. Okay, enough of this. Ooh, gotta try some things on. Let's do it. Okay, we are starting with these kind of cargo-y cropped pants. And a few things I love about them. Probably gonna send them back. They're just a little too cropped because I'd like them to be a little bit longer where I can wear booties. I tried to put on my tall booties, but it just didn't look right. But they look cute with flats, I guess. I like the color. I do like the style. I just wish they were a little bit longer, and they are a little tight. They're just not as comfortable. You know what I'm saying? I feel like a different material, not so cargo-y material, would be more comfortable. They do have these nice pockets. They have some little pockets in the back here. Yeah, can't say anything horrible about them. I just don't think they're gonna be living in my closet. Did want to show you off this shirt one more time. So cute. Beauty begins when you decide to be yourself. Coco Chanel. Exactly. Be yourself, peeps. Okay, great. Let's move on. Okay, here is this little top. I think this is by Fortune Ivy. I think it's very beautiful. The silhouette feels nice. I didn't like it as much when I pulled it out as I put it on. I do really like it. I just don't know. This might come down to pricing and like what the rest of the box, how the rest of the box goes. Because you know, if you keep 5, you get the 25% off discount. I also have that style pass, so I could send everything back. But I love this color. I do love the little sleeves. And y'all know the weather around here. If you watch me, this would be great for many seasons. The little button detail, so cute. Just adds a little something. The one reservation I have is I've received a few tops like this, which is, it's almost like a mixed medium. It kind of has, the material back here is more of like a cottony, where the material here I feel like is more chiffon-y. And sometimes the cotton part like pills up, right? So it might just be the way I'm washing things. I'm not the best at that. But I just love the silhouette this creates. I really like the color. I don't know, the more I wear it, the more I really like it. So we shall see, we shall see. Here is this next top by Paper Moon. And I love this top. I love any kind of pattern, geometric, floral, as long as it's small print. Just gives a little something exciting, a little something extra. I really like the sleeves on this. This could be a great top for the Christmas season. I think I already said that, but it's a very beautiful green. It's not like Christmas green, it's more of between that and like an army green maybe. I think it's really cute. Fits nice. Pull it out so you can see how long it is. I think it's really cute. So here are these other 2 pieces. The tribal pants and the brush knit off the shoulder sweater from, I think it was Kaylee. The pants are great work pants. Nice pull on. Still love the tribal brand. They're just not the right color for me. Way too close to the skin tone color. They either need to be darker. They need to be darker, basically. That's how I feel. But they're great pants, and I would still be interested in getting other tribal pants because I love them. The cuff is cute, but we'll probably pass on these. This brushed knit little off the shoulder sweater. Sleeves come down nicely. It's warm, it's soft. I just pulled the strap on so I didn't have to take it off. I think with a pair of jeans, I'd probably like it a little bit more. The material just feels kind of basic. I don't know. I don't think this is, I don't know, just not really hitting the marks on either of these pieces. They're not horrible. They're just not fabulous. So, okay, let's recap and maybe prices will change my mind. We'll see what we got. Okay, we're back. Let's do some pricing and recap. The Tribal Thea high-rise cuff straight trouser in tan, size 6, $58. Gonna pass. The Paper Moon Delaney puff sleeve blouse in olive size medium, $40. Good price, I guess. It's kind of the typical going Stitch Fix price. So Fortune Ivy Dondoria mixed material, burgundy size medium, also $40. The 151 Lauren high-rise crop straight jeans in dark green size 6, $48. Not a bad price, but I'm not fully into those. Gonna send those back. And then this one, the Kaylee off the shoulder knit top in burgundy size medium, $42. So everything in the box is $228. That's not too bad. And with a buy all discount, it would take off 25%, taking off $57. And if I kept everything, the whole box would be $171. So 5 pieces with that price is actually really good. It's around $40 per piece. Probably even a little bit less if my math is correct. Don't check that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So I'm not sure what I'm going to keep. If anything, I'll keep both the 2 tops. Not this burgundy one, but the other burgundy one and the cool green checkered one. I did really like both of those. I'm not sure though. I have a Shein haul coming soon, so we'll have to check that out and see. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. So thank you so much for hanging in there. And if you like me and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. I'm super close to my 2,000 subscriber mark. It seems like I'm running a marathon trying to get there, and like the finish line is just just keep coming. So I would super appreciate that. Hit that red subscribe button. Give me that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.